Yes, but this is afternoon off. So we've got the place entirely to ourselves. I'll just check. Hello? Anyone at home? No, there's no one here. So what do you think?
Great! And this is all yours?
Just a little shack in the woods, really. Converted faucet mill. 16th century.
It must have cost a bomb!
Well, so many entertain one's business associates. Someone on the phone now by the look of it. It's probably, this Arab, so I'll just have a quick word with him and...
Right! Then I've got to get those files to our Basingstoke office by 4.
Yes, we'll only manage to pick it up. We'll only manage to fit it in.
Right then.
We won't even bother to pull the champagne.
All these doors!
Only on, really, study, kitchen, and a self-contained service flat. For the receiver.
Terrific! And which one's the...
What?
Oh, you know.
Oh, the usual offices are through here.
Fantastic!
What?
And now I've lost the sardines!
I'm sorry, I thought they were here.
I'm not here! I'm off! I don't know where I am!
I'm from the agents.
Lost the phone!
Squire Hackman Dudley.
Never lost a phone before!
I'm Travel Man.
I'll just put it over here, look! In case if anyone else wants it!
Yes, well, no, I just came to, go into a few things. Well, check a couple of measurements. Do 1 or 2 odd jobs. Oh, I declined. I'm showing a prospective tenant house.
What's wrong with this door?
She's thinking of renting it. Her interest is definitely, aroused.
That's not the bedroom!
The bedroom? No, that's the downstairs bathroom in WC suite. And this is the housekeeper. Mrs.
Sardines, dear sardines! Oh, hi! Oh, you shouldn't have stood on them!
Don't worry about us.
You'll all go standing on them now!
We'll just inspect the house.
Got to get the floor a wash.
Oh, I'm sorry about this.
That's all right. We don't want the television, do we?
Television? Oh, yes, right, television. She didn't explain about wanting to watch this royal, with the hats and the fruits and, well, obviously, because there's been this thing with, I'm just saying this in case anyone's looking at us right now and thinking, my God.
Great! Come on, then. I've got to be in Basingstoke by 4.
Sorry, love, I thought we ought to get that cleared up.
We'll take it up with us.
Where are we?
And don't let my files out of sight.
Hold on, we got out of
What?
What? Her? Oh, yes, right, her. Well, because she has been in the family for generations.
Sardines! It's not for me to say, of course, dear. And let me only just say this. Don't think twice about it. Take the blood! Are you really enjoying it here? Oh, great! I'll just put it over here, look. In case if he wants it, he won't know where to find it. Terrific! Sardines! You'll have to do with the sardines then. Because I've got to go back to the kitchen now and do some more sardines. You see, she thinks it's great. She's even making us some sardines.
Well?
I think she's terrific.
Terrific.
So, which way?
I don't know, I kind of just, parcel them up here and then
Up here?
Down here.
In here.
Okay, I'll do that. You do that.
Oh, it's another bathroom!
Take the box, he says, take the bag.
Always trying to get me in the bathroom.
Bag, box.
Oh, black sheets.
Oh, okay, take that.
Oh, well, you're in a real state.
Oh.
You can't even get the door open.
Place entirely to ourselves.
Dear old house.
Just waiting for us to come back.
But how odd to find a telephone in the garden.
Put it back.
I thought I'd better bring it in.
Very sensible.
Someone's bound to want it.
Oh dear.
Why don't you put it back on the table?
The wire seems to be caught.
It seems to be called on the downstairs bathroom.
Oh, so it is.
Just trimming your way through the garden, yes, and that thorny bush there, and somehow you'll have to make your way back inside the house, darling. Just make your way inside the house. Take your time, love. I think you should go to bed.
I'll climb through the bathroom window.
Yes, but it's kind of funny though, creeping in like this for our wedding anniversary.
It's damn serious. If Inland Revenue finds out that we're in
the country, even for one night.
Yes, right. If Inland Revenue finds out that we're in
the country, even for one night.
Country?
For even one night.
One night?
Bangles are playing to be resident abroad. Bangles most of this year's income.
Most of this year's income. I think I'm gonna have a lie down.
A lie down? Yes, why not? No children, no friends dropping in? Well, I'll lie. Absolutely, Anna. Leave those. Go downstairs, not upstairs.
I'm so sorry.
There is something to be said for being a tax exile. What? Inland Revenue might hear us.
Now, what I did with that first lot of sardines, I shall never know.
Mrs. Newton!
Oh, you gave me quite sad. Now I jumped right back to the sofa.
So did mine. We thought you'd gone.
But I thought you was in Sardinia.
We are. You haven't seen us. We're not here.
Yes, which would have been witness here.
Yes, but the main thing is the income tax are after us.
So a lovely helping of sardines to sit on.
So if anyone asks for us, you know nothing. I don't know anything. So I'll just go get a hot water bottle then.
And there she goes without waiting to find out about his letters.
His letters.
Letters? What letters? You forward all the mail, don't you?
Got presents from Sardinia, do ya?
I'm so sorry.
I'll show you where I put the presents from Sardinia. I put the presents from Sardinia in the toilet.
In the toilet?
In the toilet in the bathroom.
Oh, okay.
Yes, but I can hear voices.
Voices? What sort? Oh, voices.
Box voices. I mean, people's boxes.
Oh, there's no one here.
Darling, I saw the door handle move. Oh, and these bags. I'm not sure they were here when we, you know.
I still don't see why you have to put the tie on to look.
Well, obviously, if someone left these bags up here, they want them downstairs inside the, you know.
Mrs. Blockett.
Oh, could be coming up here on the way too. I mean, carrying various. I mean, who knows?
Oh, good, she's up in those sardines.
Well, wait. I'll fetch them. You can't go downstairs like that.
Why not?
Mrs. Crackett.
Mrs. Crackett.
One has certain obligations.
Oh, sardines there, sardines here. It's like the Battle of Waterloo out here. Oh, still pecking around, are you?
Yes, still poking. Well, still pulling.
Well, good job I can't see far with this leg.
You know, I'm just testing all the doors. I mean, trying all the door handles. Mrs. Blackett, right?
Oh, Blackett, dear, Blackett.
Oh, Mrs. Blackett. Is there anyone else in the house? Mrs. Blackett?
I haven't seen no one, dear.
Well, I found these voices. I mean, I heard these boxes.
Voices? There are no voices here, love.
Well, I must have imagined it then.
Oh, hello,
Why? What is it?
Well, the study door's broken.
Well, they're going to want these inside, you know, so, I'll just put them outside, and then they can, you know!
Nothing but flapping doors in this handle.
I'm Philip.
Oh, Philip, I guess so. What happened to you?
It's all gotten a bit slippery on the stairs out there.
Oh, you haven't done yourself an injury, have you?
No, he's just a bit shaky. You weren't going to tell me a gentleman had come about the house, were you?
What?
You weren't going to tell me a gentleman had come about the house?
Oh! Ah, yes, a gentleman come about the house.
Don't tell me, I'm not here.
Oh, he's put your box out in the garden for you.
Well, let them do anything just as long as you don't tell anyone I'm here.
All right, then, I guess I'll just sit down and turn on the... Sardines, I've forgotten the... Oh, wait! No, I haven't. I remember the sardines. What a surprise. I must go back to the kitchen now and do some more sardines to celebrate.
I didn't get this, I'm not here, I'm in Spain. But if I didn't get it, then I didn't open it.
Dorothy! Darling, I never had a handle like this, did I?
Didn't you?
Well, I shouldn't buy anything as brassy as this. It's not one that you gave me, is it?
I should have never touched it.
Oh, no, it is. Lovely.
Thinking I will put it back, never saw it.
If anyone else wants to have a try.
All right. Now that the study door is more broken. What on earth is happening? Doggy? Upstairs? Oh my God, there's something in the... Oh my God. Listen, I can't because the handle has... You know, you'll just have to... listen, darling, I mean, whatever's in there, you're going to have to find some other way. I mean, don't just keep knocking! Here. Listen, squeeze your way through the, shimmy your way through the, there must be some way of a 50 state. Oh, it's you!
Of course it's me. You put me in here in the dark with all the black sheets and things.
Well, I put you in there, but you managed to squeeze through the...
Why did I lock the door? Why did you lock the door?
I locked the door. I had to look, it's come off.
Well, someone locked the door.
Anyway, we can't stand here like this.
Like what?
In your underwear.
Okay, I'll take a job.
In here. Hot water box. I didn't put it there.
Oh, I didn't put it there.
Someone in the bathroom filling first aid bottles. Sorry.
You don't think something creepy is going on, do you? Darling, are you coming to bed or aren't you?
What did you say?
Oh, I didn't say anything.
Press the door handle. Now the first water box.
I can use those nipples all over.
Yes, quick, get something round you.
Get the covers over our heads.
Just a moment. What did I do with the sardines? You, wait right here.
You hear all sorts of funny things about these old houses.
Yes, but this one's been extensively modernized throughout. I don't see anything creepy because of my oil-fired central heating on.
What? What is it? What's happening?
The sardines! They're gone! Wait! No, they don't. They're right here. Well, my God. My God! You put a plate of sardines down for 2 minutes and the last thing's right to find. These days you can't put a plate of sardines down. That really is weird.
Perhaps there's something funny going on. I'm going to go to the bedroom with my head under the...
Because there they are, exactly where I burned. Put it out, I suppose. Mrs. Scratchy must have came and taken them. What is happening? What is it?
Bag!
Bag?
Bag, bag!
What do you mean bag?
Bag, bag, bag!
Sardines! Sardines!
Bag, bag, bag!
Sardines! Sardines!
Bag, bag, bag!
Bag? What bag?
No bag!
No bag?
Your bag's suddenly here now!
It's in the bedroom. I put it in the bedroom. I'll put it back in the bedroom.
Don't go in there!
The box!
The books!
They're both not gone.
My files!
What on earth is happening? Where's Mrs. Scratchet? You wait in the bedroom. No! Put your dress on.
I'm not going in there!
I'll fetch it for you.
Yes, quickly, let's get out of here.
Go Your dress is gone!
I'm never going to see basic silk again!
Okay, don't panic. Don't panic. It's a perfectly rational.
You're not coming to bed. Not in my sardines, because this drives you. They've got him drilled! Just keep going.
Don't panic. There's some perfectly rational explanation for all of this. I'll just fetch Mrs. Splattett and she'll tell us what's going on.
Oh, you best not here!
I fetch Mrs. Splattett. Now, she'll tell all of us what's going on.
She won't, you know! I'll tell you what's going on!
There's a man in there, yes?
No. He's right here, look, and so am I. No, there's no one in the house of love. Yes! No! Listen, I know this is a great surprise to all of us. I mean, it's quite a shock for us finding a man lying at the bottom of the stairs in the study door. All of this, isn't it, though? But now that we've all met, I suppose we'll just have to introduce ourselves, right, darling?
Yes, introduce ourselves. No.
This is my husband. I'm afraid surprises go straight to his nose. There's a man! Lurking in the undergrowth! Oh, another unexpected guest. How lovely. Why don't you just go see what you can see in the garden? And darling, you go get that bottle in the downstairs room of the poison. Go get it, go get it.
I've heard of people getting stuck with a problem, but this is ridiculous.
Oh, come in and join the party, love. A burglar! Most exciting!
No, you see, this is all my fault, because when I said I've heard of people getting stuck with a problem, but this is ridiculous. And then I opened this door. Oh, burglar! They are to be prosecuted for incitement.
No, but sometimes it makes you want to sit down and weep.
My name, Mom, is getting like a funeral in here!
I think I used to do plates.
Keep going.
I remember I used to do bullet boats.
Keep going.
What am I doing now? I'm breaking into paper bags.
Keep going.
Stop! No. Oh, I thought the coast was clear, you see, because I saw him go through that door.
Right. Yes, we'll think of something.
Oh no. What's his line?
I've heard of people getting stuck with a problem, but this is ridiculous.
And you open the door. No bars, no burglar alarms. They ought to be prosecuted for incitement.
Okay,